Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spinach pancakes for baby. These nutritious pancakes are a fantastic way to introduce greens to your little one's diet, offering essential vitamins and minerals. They are soft, easy to chew, and perfect for babies starting solids. This recipe is simple, quick, and a wonderful way to ensure your baby gets a healthy start with their meals. Let's get cooking. Gather your ingredients: 1 cup of fresh spinach, 1 ripe banana, and 1 egg. You'll also need 1/4 cup of your preferred flour and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Combine all these items in a blender. Process until the mixture is completely smooth and has a beautiful, vibrant green color. This ensures a consistent texture that is easy for your baby to enjoy. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat, adding just a tiny bit of oil. Pour small dollops of the spinach batter onto the pan, forming mini pancakes. Cook each side for about 2 minutes, or until they are golden brown and cooked through. Once done, let them cool slightly. Cut the pancakes into small, manageable pieces that are safe and easy for your baby to pick up and eat. Serve them warm for the best taste. For convenience, you can store any leftover spinach pancakes in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. If you want to prepare a larger batch, these pancakes freeze well for up to 1 month. Just reheat them gently when you're ready to serve. This makes meal prep a breeze. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your home tidy while you focus on your little one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.